Hey there, Dr. Mark McCawley. Today I'm here to talk to you about pinhole for recession coverage. So I've got a case I'd like to show you that basically they came in and they had some recession on a lower incisor, lower tooth down here. They had previously had lots of gum grafting done, but that didn't cover the root, and she wanted to get that root covered. So what we ended up and did was we did that pinhole surgical technique where we actually are able to pull the gum up and actually thicken it up and make it adhere to that root right there. And after we did that, then she got that root covered because now she doesn't have any more sensitivity. It's a whole lot nicer for her, looks nicer, and now she's actually ready to go ahead and get married because she's actually got this done right before her wedding. So that's something that we can do for you if you're interested. If you've got sensitive teeth, sensitive gums, we can definitely take care of that for you and get some root coverage. Thanks for listening.